Welcome to this training video for developing experts. We hope you find it a useful tool to support you in using the platform to its full potential. When you log in to Developing Experts, you're first taken to your dashboard. To change your password or account details, press on your name in the top right hand corner, change any of the details, and click Submit. Your dashboard shows useful information about your school's account, such as the science or curriculum lead, finance contact, renewal dates, and which subscriptions are active in your school. It's important that your information is kept up to date, so please edit this if it's not correct. You can customize the links available to you here to ensure you can access your content as soon as possible. The dashboard also gives a variety of information about your school, classes, and quiz leaderboards. You'll also see any updated information advertised here. Within the Curriculum Documents section, teachers and curriculum leads will find useful documents to support the teaching of science or geography across the school. All year group curriculum maps are available here, along with progression of skills and knowledge documents. There are misconception documents for each year group, highlighting common misconceptions that pupils may have by topic. The Ofsted pack is designed to support science leaders should there be a deep dive into science during an inspection. Posters for the inquiry skills and inquiry approaches are available, and there's an overview of these skills and approaches lesson by lesson too. More documents are added to this section when new features become available. Selecting Glossary will open the DE Glossary of words, highlighting any of the keywords and their definitions from across the Developing Experts platform. Teachers can also edit and adapt our lessons in the lesson editing tools. You can create a lesson from scratch or choose to copy one of ours. Select a lesson to edit or select multiple lessons to merge lessons together. You can then update the lesson plan and presentation. Teachers from within your school will be able to view the edited lessons. For more information on further features like this, please see the lesson editing video. Thanks for watching. We hope you're ready to jump into DE. Select the next video in the playlist here or have a sneak peek at some of our other subscriptions available.